Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by ensuring the phone is up to date and backed up so a simple reset won't risk data. Next, clean both your finger and the home button. Oils and dirt block the sensor. Once done, go directly to Settings, then Touch ID and Passcode. You'll remove existing fingerprints and start fresh. This first step isolates software or sensor debris issues. You're doing this now to eliminate easy variables before moving into deeper troubleshooting. You'll re-register your fingers with attention to angle and pressure so the sensor builds a complete map. Start with your primary thumb or index finger, placing the pad flat, then tilting it to capture edges. Lift and rest repeatedly. Don't slide. Repeat to register an alternate finger for reliability. Make sure skin is dry and at normal temperature because moisture, lotions, or cold reduce sensor accuracy. These detailed motions teach the sensor. You'll finish by testing Touch ID across typical uses. Unlocking, App Store, and Apple Pay, trying varied grips so the sensor adapts to real-world angles. If recognition still fails, delete the fingerprints, restart the iPhone, and re-register. This clears temporary glitches. If problems persist after a restore to factory settings, it indicates hardware failure. In that case, schedule an Apple service appointment. One troubleshooting tip: intermittent success often means residue or a failing sensor.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.